Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable resume cleaning mode on Mova E20. This mode works in a way that when your robot is low on power, it will return to its docking station, then it will pause and charge itself, then it will resume cleaning. If you want to prevent this, so when the battery goes down, it just goes to charge itself and doesn't resume, you can go to three dots in top right corner, then device settings, then disable resume cleaning mode or enable it in order for the robot to resume after charging. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.